The Sri Jagannath Temple Administration or SJTA has strongly rejected ISKCON's claims regarding the organization of an off-season Rath Yatra and has also clarified the facts surrounding Gajapati Maharaja's visit to the Berlin Rath Yatra. In an official statement, the SJTA described the press release issued by ISKCON's communications office on July 12 as misleading and factually incorrect. According to ISKCON, a meeting was held on March 20, 2025 between its scholars and representatives of the SJTA. ISKCON had claimed that during this meeting, its scholars established that the Rath Yatra organized by the organization has scriptural approval. However, the SJTA has categorically denied this claim. The temple administration stated that the July 12 press release is based on false information and is intended to mislead devotees. The SJTA clarified that during the 2025 meeting, it was its own scholars who presented scriptural references to establish that Lord Jagannath himself ordained the traditional 9-day Rath Yatra. The administration said references from the Skanda Puran attributed to Maharshi Vedavyas and the Brahma Puran was cited to support this position. The SJTA further asserted that the Chaturdha Murti, Lord Jagannath, Lord Balabhadra, Devi Subhadra and Sudarshan are the original presiding deities and cannot be taken outside the temple for an off-season Rath Yatra. The temple administration also rejected ISKCON's claim that the Gajapati Maharaja had participated in the Berlin Rath Yatra during 1991-92. According to the SJTA, the Gajapati Maharaja had travelled to Berlin only to attend an interfaith conference. During that visit, he merely witnessed the off-season Rath Yatra and reportedly objected to it, describing it as being against scriptural traditions. The SJTA said he had also tried to persuade ISKCON authorities not to organize such an event. After returning to India, the Gajapati Maharaja is said to have held several rounds of discussions with ISKCON representatives. When ISKCON continued organizing the off-season Rath Yatra, the Sri Jagannath Temple Managing Committee decided to formally oppose the practice. The SJTA said a resolution against the off-season Rath Yatra was officially passed by its managing committee on February 15, 2008. The temple administration has reiterated its stand that the traditional Rath Yatra observed in Puri, as prescribed in the scriptures, remains the authentic and established practice.
आज मंदिर प्रशासन तरफ आम जो गजपति महाराज को इस्कन कर्तृपक्ष चिठी लिखी गजपति महाराज आमर जी की परिचालना कमिटीर स्थायी अध्यक्ष परामर्श नहीं जहाँ आम स्पष्टीकरण रखीचु जो थे आम कहीचु जे इस्कन कर्तृपक्ष जहाँ लिखिं सठिक नुह विभिन्न प्रसंग उपर जहाँ उत्थापन करते आजिका दिन में महाप्रभु सिंहद्वार चकड़ार आम ठिया समस्त जोड़ हस्त नवेदन करुँ महाप्रभुंर मूल पीठ हूँ पुरी धाम तेणु यही मूल पीठर जहाँ भी नीति नियम रही आम समस्ते मानि नापी समस्त आम नेहुरा होकर अनुरोध करुँ। बहुत धन्यवाद।